Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to CAD Tech Design Tutorials. In this series of video, we will learn basic to advanced tool of SolidWorks. So let's start our tutorial from now. If you did not install SolidWorks yet, you can watch my video that explain you to how to install SolidWorks 2024. For this, you can simply go to my channel and there you get a video explain about how to install SolidWorks. So now let's open your SolidWorks, any version no matter, and let's start creating your first 3D model. Basically we will understand how SolidWorks work. SolidWorks is a vast feature-based software that allows you to create 3D parts, assemblies, and 2D drawings. If you are new user of SolidWorks, then the time you spend on learning this software will be a wise investment. Basically, SolidWorks works like first up you will create your basic sketch, and then from sketch you will make 3D parts, and from 3D parts you can joining them you can make assemblies, and then you can also from 3D part or assembly from both you can draft your 2D drawings. So let's start now from learning SolidWorks. In this tutorial we will learn like different there are different environment in SolidWorks like a part, assembly. uh, we will cover all these. Additionally we will cover like drawing, sheet metal, surfacing, weldments, simulation, structure analysis, flow simulation, etc. So now from we will first we learn first our environment in SolidWorks part. From this simply we go to file, and here from new select new, and you will see a new interface like this. And this is the part uh, SolidWorks user interface. Like an here you see part, assembly, drawing. First of we start creating our first part, and then we, after learning part about part, we will launch assembly and then drawing. So let's start from parts. Okay. Okay, the interface open like this, and here we will create our sketches. The here you will see like file, edit, view, insert, tool, simulation, windows, or else there is any home page, and there are different type on say option, print. This all are we can simply we identify like it is a menu bar, and you will also call it quick access toolbar. And just below that, this all interface, there is we can see this different buttons, and like going to sketch there are different tools. This is the called a tool or buttons, this all called. And you can also call it command managers. And just below that also we can command manager tabs. These all are the tabs like features, sketch, sheet metal, weldments. There are different tabs. From this we can add our required tab, and simply you can go to this tab or like a sketch sheet metal and use this according to our requirement. uh, we will learn later how we will add tabs, because if you don't see like well meant initially, if you are new, there we did not get well meant, so we will add later. And like our we will start from a sketch. Simply go to the sketch, and here you simply see sketch, and here you can click and select any plane: front plane, top plane, right plane. Or also you can direct go to this interface, like this is called the design tree. Here you will get your every stepwise how you are creating your 3D models or sketch. Every steps are defined there. And and these are this interface side, it's called the tax pans. Here you get standard materials, like different colors. Okay, different interface are there. And drafting tools, we can learn about this later. And also we'll see that uh, this interface, like this is the you can call it head of toolbar or view toolbar. From here we will see different view of our 3D parts. So first let's start from sketch. Here you can directly select to sketch. Initially we have to select first plane, then only you can sketch. So you can directly select from this interface, or you can go to a design tree and select any plane or a sketch like this. Also, if you don't want to do it, you can go to here and select this plane, and it's then look like this. Here you can see x and y plane. So let's start. Here these are the different shapes which you from which you can make your sketches. Like this is lines, there is different type of line, or center line, midpoint line, and this is rectangle and center rectangle, different type. And like this circle, semicircle, splines, different types of shapes. So let's start creating our first sketch. Like we can use, this is the first basic shape, rectangle. And this is our rectangle. And like we have to give the dimensions. So for this we can directly go to select your dimension, a small dimension. And after selecting this, you can directly go to select line, side line, and right click. And here you can give your dimension, like I am creating 100, and this dimension also 200. Okay, and after giving dimension, our sketch is fully defined. Like you see all lines are in black color. This means our sketch is fully defined. If there is not let me delete this sketch. Look, these two lines are in black color, and two lines are not in black, so that means our sketch is not fully defined. First we have to make our sketch fully defined to create 3D model. Otherwise you can get problem in next step. So let's make it fully defined. 300. Okay, this is also first to create your sketch. You have to first select your dimension system. Like CGS system or MKS system. For this, like I'm going to create this sketch. Cause of all, there is nothing at the starting. We have to select here. You can see at the down there is an interface. This is called the dimension system, and there is different type: MKS, CGS, MMGS, IPS. I already selected MMGS selector. You can also select your according to your requirement. So I am using MMGS system, and then you can start creating your sketch from here or here. Okay. Also, let's make our sketch, and this is 200, 100, and this side is 200 mm. Our sketch is fully defined. Now we can make our 3D part from this. So for that we have to go to the features. Here you in top you can see features. For this, right click on features, and here extruded boss base. Click on extruded boss base, right click, and here you can see blind. It means how the thickness of the what is the thickness of your 3D parts. You can define here. Like I'm going to give him thickness is 20 sorry 20 mm, and this is the blind. And you can also, there is different type of option. There is blind up to vortex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid plane. You can choose any. This all you depends on practice. When you practice, start practice, then you will learn about this all. We will learn gradually, and how you can use this pause, or I'm using pause option blind for this sketch. And there is different option also. We will see in next our next tutorial video. Is about all. From now we will just get basic, and this is our 3D model. Course 3D model is ready. Okay, now we can see that this is our post 3D model is form of the rectangle. Now I want to create a hole there. For that I have to do, like I select first this face, just like here you first selected plane. You need to select any plane or faces. So I want to create a hole here. If you want to create a hole here, you can select this face or any faces according to your geometry. I want to create a hole here now, and so for that right click in this face and select a sketch. Okay, now this you can see we are in the into sketch. Yes, you can see here. For that is first I'm going to create a hole in this center point of this object, and its diameter of the hole is 50 mm. Okay, and now my sketch is fully defined. Again I have to go to the feature, and here you can see extruded cut. I want to cut a hole here, so I will use extruded cut for that. And extruded cut, let's say extruded cut, and look, this is going down. You can simply define here how the length of the cut. If you want 10 mm, you can define 10, or also this is a blind. Or here you can see through all means you did not need to define any dimension here. Through all means it's go to through all of the object. And look, there is also another up to next. It means it's directly go to up to next. It's up to next. And also up to surface vertex we will learn on another videos. This like up to surface means I want to create from this surface to this for surface. It's directly go to this like this. Okay. And up to body means if there is any body you can select up to body, and this is the mid plane. It means if you select mid plane, this dimension if you define at 20 mm, it's go 10 mm above and 10 mm down. So this is for mid plane simply. So now for now I'm going to using up to surface. I want to create from here to these surfaces. It means through all. Okay, and selecting like this. My body is ready. Look, simply. And again there is different feature like extruded boss face. You can use extruded boss face like this to extrude or extend your materials. If you want to remove material, you can use extruded cut. And you now looks there is a different buttons to create our 3D model. There are revolve boss base, sweep boss base, rotate boss base, boundary boss base, extrude cord, all wizards, revolve cord. These are different cord, how to remove materials, about remove materials, and these are about to um, extend or include materials. So if you this is all about the extruded boss base and extruded cord. If you want to use revolve boss base, you can simply let's first save what out learn how to we can save this our this 3D models. For that we have to go to the above user interface, and here you see save. Direct click to this option and you go to the files, and you can directly select where you want to save this. I want to save this here, and I want to save it training, and I want to create a new folder for that, and tutorials. Okay, and here I'm going to host. This is the host tutorials set. Okay, let's start to learn how to use revolve workspace. For this I'm going to deselect this 3D model, and same I want to go to file, then new, and here part, and okay. And again to confirm our dimension system, I am in mmgs system. You can select according to your choice and go to sketch and select planes. I want to create a front plane again, and here I want to make a sketch like for now I will use a line, but let's see how I can use lines. I want to move this line here to here. Okay, this line is not vertical, so if you want to make this line vertical, you right click on this, and interface of dialog is open like this, and here you can see make vertical, make horizontal. So I want to make it fully vertical like this. It is now vertical. Let's see, this is color is in black, this is defined, and simply give a dimension. It's 130 dimension 20 mm, and I want to make it fully defined. Like I want to create a dimension like this. Okay, look, now it's defined, and this line is not defined yet. So for that we have to give dimension here. I want to give a dimension 20 22. Okay, look, this case is fully defined. If you want to create fillets, like here, if you want to create fillet here, here, for that we use, look here, sketch fillets, select it and select corner, this corner, this. Okay, the dimension is too long from our dimension. I want to make it low, like, okay, I want to make 2 mm fillets. Okay, look, and you can select all corner, this, in this way. You can also clear selection, you can select like this. This, okay, look, this like, and I have to select okay, fillets are okay. Now look how we'll use the revolve bosses feature. I want to create a solely shaft whose diameter is 40 mm and the height is 20 mm. For that, this is the radius 20 mm, and if I revolve this object full body in this axis, this will create shaft. Look, revolve surface, and for you have to select axis of revolution. So the axis of revolution is my this, look, and you can select how angle of the revolution. If you select there is 360, it's revolving 360. You select 180, it's revolving just like in half of the plane. Look, it's like this. I want, for now I want to make 360 revolution. Okay, and simply select okay. Look, oh sorry, this is only, I want to create it 360. 360 and make it okay. Look, our objections make like a look. If you want to create a hole just using three revolve boss base remove material, you can use this. Also, if you directly select this face and create hole, if you want to make hole and select hole here and you give a dimension of this hole. I want to make a 10 mm. Okay, and create pitch, go to feature, okay, and extrude cut up to surface. I want to create from head to head and select okay. Look, all is created. If you want to make hole using revolve base boss base, for this you have to use like for now I don't want this, so right click here and delete it. As also I want to delete this sketch, and I don't want it, and delete. Okay, and go to front plane from here and sketch, and I want to make a whole layer from here to here, this axis, and the diameter of the hole is 20 mm, so that is radius is our sketch is ready, and we have to just give dimension. The diameter of the hole is 10, 20, so radius is 10. Okay, this case is fully defined. Let me check this is vertical or not. This is vertical already. Okay, let's go to the feature, and here is revolve cut. So you can see revolve cut. I want to revolve cut, so select it and select axis, this axis. Look, it's revolve cut, and select okay. Look, it's cut like this. our model is ready for now. Look, hope you understand here. For this first video we will learn just simple two videos, or just we learn uh, line and rectangular shape and a feature, extrude boss base, extrude cut, revolve boss base, revolve cut. Okay. We'll learn start learning our from next tutorial about more features, using more features. For now, bye bye.